Let us see how to use ThinkStudio to copy data from Excel and fill copied data into Windows
User
Forms.
needs
to open 3 programs before creating task. We will use robust recording feature in order to start recording of task. Now we will navigate to Excel first and click on cell from where we want our task to start from. Copy focused cell value and then navigate to first Windows form by clicking on Form field. Paste copied value on selected from field again and navigate back to Excel by pressing just single mouse click anywhere on Excel. Press right arrow key on your keyboard to navigate to next cell and copy targeted cell value by pressing Ctrl+C. Now navigate back to first form by clicking desired form field. Paste copied value straight to targeted field by pressing Ctrl+V and then navigate back to second form field. Paste copied value on second form desired field and go back to Excel again. Now press right arrow key to navigate to next cell in a row and copy selected cell value by pressing Ctrl+C. Navigate to first Windows form by clicking desired field on form and paste copied value by pressing Ctrl+V. Navigate back to second form field and paste using keyboard and navigate again to Excel. Repeat the back and forth activity up to commission field in Excel, which is last field in Excel. After finishing form fields up to last field in Excel row, click on Submit button on both Windows forms one by one and navigate back to Excel. And now select first cell in next row using keyboard arrow keys. First of all press down arrow key and then press left arrow key until we reach first cell in second row. Now we need to stop recording. Now we need to export recorded task at specific location in computer. Now we will modify recorded task and then execute. Now we need to open Robust Task Editor to edit task. Now we will open recorded task in Task Editor. As we want to repeat our recorded activity multiple times, we need to iterate recorded activity using for loop action. Navigate to Activity Panel search bar and type variable keyword. Now drag and drop variable node to workspace area. Select variable node again, which will list properties of variable node in property window at right side. Change variable name property of variable node for your convenience. In our case, name would be iteration. Set parameter kind property to runtime input box. Now changes runtime parameter property to true, making it true will ask for required input before executing task. Now navigate back to Activity Panel search bar to search for loop action node. Type for keyword in search bar, which in turn will result list for loop actions. Select for loop start node and then drag and drop it to workspace area. Now we need to set certain properties of for loop start node, so we will select it individually. Here we will set final value property of for loop node. Final value denotes number of iteration. Value will be reference of iteration variable node, which represent no of repetition. Now we need to enclose entire recorded task between for loop start and for loop end node except start node, end node and variable node. Now we will link nodes very carefully as we have decided to enclose. Now click on Auto Align button to properly align nodes. Now execute the task by pressing Run button. Keep all previous 3 programs open. Now input dialog box will open and box will ask for number of repetition value. Provide repetition value and press OK button. Now watch the execution of task. You can see the task is executed successfully.